I'm good in football. Someone can't tell me that you are a lady, you can't play football. I believe I can. They are saying that he's saying what a man can do, a man can do better.
Wow. Well, not even in houses, but now in football
In
again,
football,
guys. So you can see this. This is a motivation to the ladies out there who, if you want to do anything, just do it, because we are really like something like me. For me, I'm really inspired by her.
Yeah.
Because we can't get ladies here in the village playing football. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another beautiful day, guys. We are here moving out, of course. Thank you so much, you guys, for supporting me. 10,000 subscribers, guys. It's not a joke. Yeah, being an afternoon here in an African village. This is Village Grandpa's residence, guys, as you can see from here. And we're moving out, guys. This is my attire for today. I'm going to put on these shoes, Clarks. I really love these shoes. Yeah, they are very unique and very comfortable, guys. So, guys, we are moving today to give you a very good vlog of today, guys. So keep on tuned, and as we move, me and you guys. This is Maj_KE. They call me the village Buga, guys. Let's move. Yeah, guys, we are here at the border. We just came to look for something, but unfortunately we didn't get it. And yeah, I think they told us to go to Migori. So maybe tomorrow we can look at it. It's late right now. About 5. Almost 5. Yeah, almost 5. Like 2 minutes, 5. So we can't go to the Migori, and we are using a motorbike. So we just have to go back. Yeah, then we have to visit someone. Yeah, we have to visit someone. As I have a message from her. Yeah, so I have to deliver so that she can. You know, whenever you're given a message to deliver, you have to deliver. Or what are you saying, Kope? Yeah. This is Kope Africa, by the way.
Kope Africa, I'm the rider of today. We are at the border, guys. Yeah. That's why, you know, in town you have to be so much careful. Because most of border riders here are not qualified, so you just have to be very careful. You have to be extra careful. So you have to go in a slow pace. But guys, I thank you for supporting Mata. I really thank you for doing that. Don't forget for Kope Africa. Go subscribe to my channel. I have amazing videos about this village, guys. You can also comment. You can advise me on the comment section on what to do better, on how to elevate more. You know, that's what we do for us to go step by step and achieve what we do. So guys, this is Kope Africa. Subscribe, share, give good comments, please comment, like the video, share, tell them. So guys, this was constructed here recently. This is a petrol station, and it's very unique and very, like I can say, powerful. You know, guys, you can get their pizza. Never taken pizza. I even don't know how pizza tastes. I've been seeing pizza, but I've never tasted pizza. I wish one day I'll check it.
Maybe it's very sweet. One day maybe. Because right now it's near here. You don't have to use a lot of
also make this?
Yeah, Tanzania, Milan.
Milan.
That is
Hotel.
a hotel in Tanzania called Milan. It's Tarime, yes, Tarime. So you don't have to take a car here, which is 50 bob or 50 shillings, so that you can get here back home, get your pizza, enjoy.
That guy is so speed.
That's not even tasty.
Yeah.
And you can get people like that. You just bring them and just do it.
But over speeding.
So guys, keep on tuned and we'll show you the environment and get to know who we are. Give us a message. Yeah, so guys, finally we are here back at home, guys. This is where my mom works and my dad. This is the hardware that they work. It's called Mabson, guys. Kindly, if you're in the village, come and support my parents here also. Yeah, it's called Mabson, just near the road here. Yeah, near the road. Yeah, it's accessible from anywhere. So this is the road that goes inside Nyabuhanse, and also we have the main road over there, so you can't even get lost, guys. So it's called Mabson Hardware. Let me show you from this point, guys. Don't know if the sun will, yeah. So Mabson Hardware, just near the road. Yes, so guys, I want to show you also this project of a hotel which is around here. So also this is a corridor that leads to maybe if you want to go to the toilet, and yeah, and also the back door. We have a kitchen over there, and here is where they sell the maize. I don't know if last time, guys, you saw my video when we were going to Narok. This is where we bought the maize from, this place. Yeah, and this hotel also, it's Village Grandpa's, but it's stuck here. Yeah, he is stuck here. So from here, Pope, what do you think about this hotel, or rather this project here?
It's a very good project, and the place that is located, I think, is the best.
Yeah, the best.
Yeah, the best.
Uh-huh.
So as time goes, I think when it will start, at least it's going to be an income generating project.
Yeah. And of course people will be employed. That will be also an employment to people here in the village.
Create employment,
yes.
Youths and a lot of people, because you know, in a hotel you have to have maybe waiters, waitress, cooks. Yeah, you see,
cashier, manager.
It will create an employment. Maybe even me, I'll get employment.
Even me, yes.
Yeah.
Maybe once you come here and help also, like, yeah, you get something maybe in the evening. Yeah, that will make us move. And also, of course, we have the stage here, which is for border borders. I think you can see they're standing from there. Yeah, so it's just how many meters from there, Pope?
5 meters.
5 meters. Yeah, and the good thing about Village Grandpa, he tried to do the parking. So you can park here your car. Also we have this one, ample parking. Yeah, that place.
Accommodate a lot of cars. Yeah, saloon cars mostly.
Yeah.
Very good. It's a very good parking. You also had the plan of putting some flowers to at least to make it beautiful.
And also I think we should put some grills here, so that to that place also around, so that when you're parking you can be sure where the car reaches. Yeah, so we will also try and do that whenever we have the resources. So these are the stairs from the road over there. So you come in this way, guys. Wow, see how clean this place is. Yeah, you know, yesterday Nasto was talking about like the person who did like our house, like the floor.
Putting tiles.
Yeah, not tiles, like this floor, like the way it is, it has no dust. So you can see is the same person who did this. So it's very, very clean and clear when you sweep it. So yeah, so this is the place. Hey, also here we'll need tarazo. Yeah. Here. And this one is so big. So big. Oh. So guys, my mom is trying to tell me that all the sockets have power. How are you, mom?
I'm fine.
How was your day?
It was nice.
I come this way because of light.
I'm very, very happy
Yes.
to be here today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is a blessed day.
Mm-hmm.
We have visitors tomorrow,
Mm.
so we are trying to prepare here, trying to clean the toilets so that it will be comfortable. We have no doors, but we have tried to put in the curtains.
Yeah, the curtains.
Yeah, so that it will be comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
How are
guys,
you?
I'm good.
Yes.
As always, as you know, up and down. Up and down, yeah. Trying to make ends meet. So guys, if you're new here, you don't know, this is Village Grandma. And this is her working place. And yeah, she's stuck here, guys, you know. But God is there, and He will come through for us. So this is a meeting of health education that will be here. So it's a good thing that they recognized this place and they are coming now here to have the meeting. The meeting here, it's so nice. Like now the place it has started to be recognized.
Yes.
Even before it's
We have
finished.
started to be live.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alive. I'm really happy for this, and I am really believing very soon we will try our best to finish this place. Yeah, thank you, mom. Yeah. So guys, this is the place. This is the hotel here. You can see how the pillars are looking. This is the middle of this whole place, this whole hotel, guys. As you can see, they have even the chairs over here, very planned. And here, mom, you will pay me for this. Yes, this is my table, guys, over here. So I just landed my parents. I landed you, mom.
Yeah, no problem.
Yes, and we also have washing. Hand wash. Yeah. So you wash your hands here, and this is supposed to be the kitchen. Yes.
Yeah, this is the kitchen.
Yeah, this is the kitchen
So
over
they
here.
will be serving from here.
Yeah,
Yeah. They will-
going in.
Yes.
Yeah, so as I showed you before, we have a door there that comes at the corridor. So they'll pass there, serving from here, then going in. Yeah, that is the guests.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. So guys, also this place, I tried also my best, at my level best. So we did this from, though, you know, you never know. Though we are stuck again, but this is complete. So the only thing that you need from here is the this, what is it called, guys? The windows. The windows. We put the windows, then we put the hanging line of goat meat here. Then we have the what is it called? The fridge, maybe not fridge, but freezer.
Yeah.
And then maybe a counter here, then a hanging place for the goat meat.
Yeah.
Goat meat, yeah. So this was supposed to be
Is it a
butchery, yeah, butchery. So here's where I was stuck, guys. Whoa, but it's very nice, and it's also near the road. Let me show you. Papa, help me here, please, so that I can open this door. It's long, guys, since it was open.
It's sad. Maybe we should just show but yeah.
Yes. So guys, you can see from here how also we did this. This is where you can comfortably move from up there. That is the main road. Yeah, the main road from Migori to Sirari. We can say even from Nairobi direct to Sirari. Yeah, and we have some yeah, this is actually how it looks like. And also we have some flowers over here, yeah, which were planted, so we really need to weed them. Yeah, they are very nice, guys, so we are trying our best. No, so this is how this place looks like. Yes, so it's very nice, very nice, very nice. Yes, guys, wow, I'm really loving this place. You know how it's clean. You guys can tell us down in the comment section. And this one also, they have put this today because when people are sitting here for the meeting, this is the washrooms, so they have to cover it. So this place also, it was, my dad also told me, like maybe a laundry place or manager's office. So he's not yet sure, or yeah, exactly. So this is a bathroom where you can take your shower, and of course they're going to make a hot shower here. Yeah, you can see from that place, hot shower. And here we also, yeah, they are working. Yeah, the switch,
the red switch shows that it will be a hot shower.
Hot shower. Yeah. And we have two. I think we have two bathrooms.
Yeah.
And my mom told the sockets are also working. Yeah, and here also having this curtain is because this is a toilet washroom, and it's very spacious, very big. Yeah.
I think that's ladies.
Yeah, ladies maybe. So we are going this way also. It's very big. This maybe gents. Yeah. Also we have a curtain here. Maybe this is for gents, and yeah, this is how it looks like typically. And this one, it's for gents now.
Yeah.
Like for urinary.
Yeah. Urinary.
Yes, here. Yeah. Right here. So this is how this place looks like, and today we decided to come and see how it can be like when it's this way. So this is how it typically. Moi.
Yes.
Vipi? How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes.
Yes.
So he's helping us there at home. So he's here today, and this also is a hand wash that also it's made at home by my village grandma. And also when Pascalia comes at home, she's the one who taught my mom how to do the soap
detergents.
Hand wash. Yes.
Detergent.
Yeah. So let's try and see if I wish we had the chargers so that we can test here if it's working, but I believe it's working.
It's working.
Yeah.
Because maybe they've not yet put the bulb here.
Yeah. The
But
light. Yes.
I believe that as time goes, they'll be able to put a bulb. You know, every beginning has an end.
Yeah.
So long as you've started something, no matter how long it will take, it automatically comes to an end.
Exactly.
So for me, it's for a start, I think it's the best.
It's the best.
It's the best.
Yeah. So guys, you know, we came here late, so we found our parents like trying to arrange here. We decided to pass over before we go to our destination. Yeah, so guys, come with us as we show you this corridor. Yeah, also we have a corridor here. A corridor here which you can sit from here also and charge your phone. Yeah,
There are a lot of switches or sockets in this hotel.
Yeah, so that is another one here in this corridor. We have these, and we also have this one here, over here. We also have this one, which you can now watch the view, the cars from there. We have this one, we have another one here, and I believe here we'll be having a sink also here. Yeah, so guys, this is it. Let's head to our destination. Yeah, so guys, on our way, guys, we got some challenges here. We had a motorbike, but now it's not doing well. So this is the motorbike that recently we are using, me and Pope. So we found our friends here. Yeah, friends here who are trying to help us. Yeah, so we really don't know if it's the plug issue or Elite motor. So, yeah.
How many plug nazo kumesomeka?
Yeah, so guys, that are the real challenges that we face here in the village. So, but I believe everything will be well. We are heading to our destination. Yeah, this is border, the streets behind the border town. Wow, cows are grazing over there. The sun is so hot, and I have a black t-shirt. Yeah, so this is behind the border area. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So we are trying to figure out how we can do this, Pope.
Yes.
How is your day?
No, these are challenges. These ups and downs. You know, there's nothing that comes easily. So this is part of the ups and downs, and it's not the first time that we face this.
Yeah.
So we are just, maybe we try and look for a mechanic. Maybe we should try to push the bike
toward center town there.
Yeah.
Toward the center.
Yeah.
To find
Yeah, we met friends here
Yeah.
who are really helping us, guys. Maybe you can say your name.
Okay, here I'm Carlos, yeah. Yeah, here we at border Hispania.
Yeah.
I think I met my friends. You are my friends. I was with my friends.
Yeah.
So this challenge, I love. I think I love all everywhere. Everyone have made this kind of a challenge.
Yeah.
So this motorcycle has come to a mechanic. I think mechanic problem. So lazima itafute mtu at least
Someone who
anaelewa,
is so
anatusaidia
a
sababu
professional person that
professional person who
can fix
sababu
the problem.
tumejaribu what we can try at all. I think tumeshindwa, so that we have to push back there
Yes.
at the town there where some professional people, so that they can
Help us with this situation, guys.
You know, the goodness is we are not far from the town, so
Yeah.
I believe I'm able to push it till there.
Yeah, we'll try and push it.
Yeah.
So guys, we're trying to push it. So yeah. Wow.
But I guess the problem is just between
The
it's a wiring problem.
wiring.
So we
a
just
plug wire to engine.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
It's
that
not picking the fire from the plug to the
not taking
motorbike.
the
Yeah.
power correctly.
Yes. Yeah. So guys,
we
we
are
have a
stuck
long
here.
we have a long day. Yeah, long day. So and
you have stuck, but
we need to be at our
really
destination.
accidents.
Yeah.
sababu kila mtu hapo anatarajia.
Yeah, so guys, let's try and see how it goes. Yeah guys, now we are done with the motorbike. It was the plug. Wow, this place is looking good, very nice. This is behind the border. It's near Isibania. Near Isibania. And I remember, Pope, this is our deputy principal's place. Yes, yeah. Isibania boys. Yes. So guys, it was a problem of the plug, so we had to buy a new plug. And in good luck, we had a friend here who we were with him in school, so he's doing like mechanical whatever,
Mechanical
engineer. So he really told us like the plug, because we could not know the reason why we have that is the reason. We have not done maybe mechanical engineering. Really like this place, guys. It's cool. Very cool. Yeah, this place is very nice. So we have bought the plug, and the bike now is moving, guys. It's moving, guys. So we are going to our destination, and I hope we'll get the person that we're going to meet. Yeah. And here, guys, the history of this place. I don't know if you pass out the school that we were at, but we used to play football, and this is where we used to run. Here. Exercise. Yeah. Roadwork. So
footballers can understand.
yeah. So we used to run there, up, then you come up, and we really had the deputy principal that we showed you in the house, who was really very tough. Like when you are behind, he's carrying a cane. Hey guys, he can beat you. Hey, if you are behind, you have to move.
Yeah, you have to move.
You have to move very fast. I remember that thing, and it was very tough. So, but at least when we went back to school, we had our own food. Like, they are preparing our food.
Yeah, it was kind of special compared to.
Yeah, very special. So especially when it's nearing the games. So to play the games, it was like you have to get a special meal. You know, you get in the morning, you get what is it called? The egg and bread, but not too much. Just
a little.
2 slices, and an egg and tea. And the tea was milk tea. Yeah, it was milk tea.
And for those who are not playing football,
you get
used
2
to
meat, you get skumawiki. So that is the school over there. Yeah, over there. Yeah, and guys, this is where also my story of YouTube came about, where I broke my leg here. In this, when I was in primary, here is where I broke my leg, and it was very very bad. Pope, hey, this road is not good. Stop.
Why?
So stop fast. Yeah, we can fall here, guys. See, the road is very, see how the road is here. Yes. So I was telling you a story. This is where I broke my leg, guys. Here, exactly this point. This let me show you clearly so that you guys can get to know my story. This post here, I broke my leg over there, and there's a person who broke my leg, and he went away. Even he left school, so I don't know why, but it was, yeah, he dropped out. But at least I scored a goal, and then he broke my leg after scoring a goal. So this leg, guys, let me show you. This leg here, you see, is not straight. See, it's not straight. So this leg turned from the front side to the back side like this. Huh? So when you know, when you break your leg, you can't like know immediately. Hey, this road is so bad, guys. See how it is. I think it's rain, a lot of rain. Hey, Pope has tried. Yeah, so you can't know immediately. So I just fall down, and waking up, I'm just looking down. I don't see my leg. I was like, my leg. So after few, like 5 minutes, I feel the pain. I feel a lot of pain on my leg. So I was looking back. I see my leg back at the back. I was, wow, I don't have leg no more. So I slept down crying, and people, you know, they were like, you know, like I used to play football very well. So even this school wanted to take me for free, so that for football for free, so I will learn for free for football. But where I was studying, that is PAG primary, not PAG, it was Churches Academy. So they wanted to bring me here for free, so that I can study for free. So, and you know, Churches, they also need me for football. You know, they used to put me like the last minutes, maybe 20 minutes. Now the game is over, so they put me 20 minutes. So they used to hide me, and so that these people cannot see that I'm around, because they know when I go in, I must go. I must go. The rescue. So they used to hide me. So when they see me, maybe after the game is about to be over, 20 minutes, they see me now jogging here. The coach of this school telling now the defenders, like, that guy, make sure you go to defenders, because that guy, if you give him a chance, hey, my friend, you will see fire. So they wanted me to come here, but I refused. Of course, even my mother and my dad said no, just stay in Churches Academy. Yeah, so this is where I broke my leg, guys, and that was the last game I played. Then I stayed for how many months, Pope? So many months.
Almost a year.
Almost a year. Like I was on the wheelchair. I was brought to school by, they used to come to the gate to take me to school and bring me back home until the gate. So yeah, I really am thankful because they really did a very great job by bringing me from school and to school. Thank you, Churches Academy, and may his soul rest in peace, Churches, the owner of the school. May you rest in peace. But I really believe this corner I used to play this corner. So I used to have tricks like I can change. You know, I used to play number 9. So I changed to confuse the defenders. I can come to number 7. I can go to number 11, so that they can't attack me so much, you know. So at that point, when I broke my leg, I was at number 9. I was in the middle, over there in the middle. So there was a guy who was very huge. So I was also, guys, if you don't know, I'm a very good runner. I can run so much. People also used to call me like, hey, you run like Ronaldo. So I used to run with the ball from the middle to here. So someone gave me a ball, chest, leg. I ran up to here. So the moment that I made my shot, that is where that guy came and stepped on my leg, and I was down, but we had a goal. It was a goal, and they really appreciated. I can remember she was, you know, it was a private school, so we had a principal. She was a principal. I can't remember her name. It's long time ago. So she was appreciating, like, we won, but my leg was broken, and they took me to hospital. I remember who took me to the hospital was a person who is doing boda boda. That was called Machugu. Also, I was playing for our team in the village, that is Hongera. Machugu took me so fast to hospital. I was taken to a nearby hospital, which is Nyamaharaga. They referred me to Migori, yeah, because it was beyond them. So I went to Migori. That we used our school bus to Migori. We went to Migori. it was very hurting because the leg was swinging like this, and it's very painful. So you can't even touch it like this. So Nyaj, so you can't touch it like this way because I'll feel a lot of pain. So they had to tie me some ropes like here, hands and legs, so that the doctor can twist the leg back to like the normal way. Wow, that was so painful. I was crying like wow. Then they put the bandage on. I stayed like we say like 7 months, yeah, with that leg before I removed the plastic whatever on my leg. But I really appreciate the school, appreciated me, because also when I left, when my leg was broken, we had now less people playing in the ground, you know. There were less, but we had I think we had 2 goals. They had 1 goal, and I scored 2 goals. So the last goal, that is where I broke my leg. So we had 4-2, guys. Imagine. So the 2 goals were for me, and that was so amazing. And the school really appreciated me, and yeah, I really want to. I don't know if I can. I will remember, guys, and I will tell you this story. The name of the principal, I will tell you this story, guys, when I remember her name. So, guys, we already fixed our plug here. We had to buy a new one. Yeah. Hey, if we remove,
Yeah, this is a new one.
this is a new one. New one. So we didn't know the plug has burnt, or yeah, so we didn't know. So we had a friend who helped us also. We studied with him, so he told us that the plug is not doing, yeah, but he helped us, imagine, for free, but we had to buy the plug. So these are the challenges that we get here when we do our videos. Yeah, we go so far, and then imagine we will be somewhere like there. Imagine that place. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see here. Imagine if you were there pushing now the bike, it's not lighting up. Yeah, see, and we were to pass here. Imagine that way. Then we push the bike to the border again. The border is a little bit far from here. So I think God is good, and yeah, we are still moving to our destination. We are moving, guys. So the story of here, I think sometime I will come and tell a story of this school and this place.
Good old days.
Good old days. Not good for me, it's bad because I broke my leg here.
No, but it's a memory that
yeah.
You know, even bad memories keeps you like being on toes. You remember that
Yeah.
one day
Exactly.
It's
So even
good memory.
I couldn't even remember this place until we passed here. So I remembered, like, I remember I broke my leg here, and my dad was on my neck like, I don't want you to play football no more. Leave football. So the guys in the village were telling me, no, you are a very good footballer. You just come back, play football, you know. Then when I went back, then I broke my knee. So I said, no, I'm not playing football no more.
Football is not your portion.
Yeah. Let me leave football. So guys, that is just a small story of my football life in the village. It is beautiful forests here in the village, guys, which you have never seen. Woo. Yeah, so you can see also there are people small kids playing football over there. Don't know if you can see them well. I remember they used to put me in this stone, like sit here, Maja. They used to call, now not calling me Maja, my real name. They used to call me like Maja, sit here. And let no people see you, because when you go in the field, see how they... Yo! Kuja seme hi! Yeah, this is how they play football, guys, here. They're small kids. Mambo, how are you?
I am fine.
What's your name?
My name is Samson Maro. Yes.
Samson Maro. Footballer.
Yes.
What number?
Number 1.
Oh,
Goalkeeper.
goalkeeper. Wow, so
And why are
nice.
you putting on
And
like one leg is a football shoe, but the other one, like what's not happening?
this where sometimes you can
You have the full nani?
pull shoe.
Full shoe.
Yes.
You have them full.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah. So why are you putting?
The
Like
Crocs
this.
over there. Like you're
Hmm.
wearing these parties for football, for a footballer, but this one is
Not,
casual.
yeah. But how are you doing? How is football?
Football is good. Yes.
Challenge. Football.
That way you see I have one shoe.
Yeah,
That's
you
a
have one.
challenge,
That's a challenge.
Yeah, and you have to put on your socks when you're putting on this. It's njomu.
Yeah.
Njomu in English.
It's a
Boots. Your boots.
Soccer
You have
boots.
to have also your socks on. Why don't you have the socks?
Bado sijanunua.
Oh, you
Those are
haven't
the
bought
challenges.
challenges, yes.
But I can see
So-
someone putting on the maybe.
Pope,
you can
maybe
say-
we can go in. Maybe I try and
should we
shoot a
intrude?
ball. We can intrude.
Welcome.
Yes.
Oh, hey. Sikuja tupigwe.
Welcome.
I help you.
Maybe you should.
Yeah, let me help Pope intrude. Yes. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is called Joseph.
Joseph.
Yes.
Yeah, footballer.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
football.
Yes.
Why is you haven't put in
Yeah.
the attires?
Nakuja kuchunga.
Oh.
Oh, he's here to graze the cows over there. Yeah, so guys, I used to play football here. So my lane was here, the middle, and up there.
Bro. Oh
Niaje? Niaje?
Uko
Hey,
fiti?
this guy is in full attire.
Yeah,
You see the socks,
Attire.
yeah, and the boots.
From boots to
Is it boots? Huh? Is it ulinunua ngapi?
400
400. Yeah, imagine 400, but it's plastic.
yeah.
$3. Yeah, and the socks, I love the socks
The
and
shirt.
everything, the short and everything. So what's your name?
Joshua.
Angalia hivi. Yeah. Turn this way.
Turn this way.
Yeah. Joshua.
Like shit. Wait.
Yeah, so you play football. Yeah. Okay.
How
Number?
long have you been playing football?
for so long.
For so long. Like how many years?
Since 2014.
2014.
Do you know me? Oh, okay. So I think we were. Do you know him? Yeah. So we were
Yeah.
very good footballers.
Yeah.
Also I played here. I broke my leg here. Nilivunjika mguu hapa. Hii mguu iliangalianga hapa. Nikichezea Churchill's Academy hapa hivi. So I was number 9, guys. Number 9.
You're a striker.
Oh, striker.
Maybe you should try to make a shot.
Yeah, we should try and
Yeah,
make a
and we
shot.
have a lady here, a very young girl.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
Wow!
look at the tactics.
So, unaitwa nani? Joshua.
Yeah.
Let's talk to him first before we go here. Unaitwa Joshua. Unapenda mpira? Do you love football like
Was it your passion?
and your talent?
That's my talent.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, so nice. So, Do you have a team that you are playing for? Like, do you have a team like you are playing for?
I'm playing here. Hispania.
You have a club here.
Hispania. Hispania, whatever.
What's the name of your club?
Yeah.
Celtic.
Celtic.
Celtic
Yeah,
club.
Celtic. Yeah, I know there's a club called Celtic.
Nice.
Abroad, maybe. Is it Spain?
Europe.
Europe. Yeah, Europe.
Yeah. So our team is Hongera.
Yeah.
Yeah, but right now we are not playing football.
Maybe we should visit. Maybe we should visit the Hongera.
Revisit.
Yeah.
Yes, of course we should revisit. And big up to Kamanja.
Yeah.
The coach.
Kamanja _ Kenya.
Kenya, the coach of Hongera. So we want to see your skills here. Yeah, we have this lady first. Let's go. Mambo. Hey. Guys, this is a young lady playing. Hi, how is what's your name?
Okay, my name is Rebesi Brilliant.
Oh, so you play football?
Yeah.
You love football?
So much.
So much? What is a challenge in football?
Challenge? Okay, my challenge, me personally, maybe weather.
Weather.
Yes, I'm allergic to cold. So sometimes you feel like you guys mumenda pro. Then as you start playing, the rain starts raining. So you feel bad. Yeah.
What number do you play?
I'm a winger. I play 7,
11.
I can even play deep 6.
Deep 6?
Yeah.
Wow.
Maybe
And you are so fluent.
Thank you.
And I see you are what are they called?
There's
the boots.
The boots.
They are so nice, but so nice. These are the best. I used to have some like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you know, I broke my leg over there.
Yeah.
Pope, I think we should go the place that I broke my leg.
Maybe.
I remember.
Oh,
Yeah, I used to.
let your ball to Maybe we should show us the tactics. Yes, that you have.
Maybe penalty, yes?
Yeah.
No, maybe.
Can you control?
I can control.
Yeah.
I can do. Yes. Nifanye gani?
Anyone. Maybe be this side.
Hey, I'm old, guys.
That's Maja train. Maja, maybe you should hold the camera for me so that at least I can recall myself whether I used to have.
Yes, that is what exactly I wanted to do, but I slided because you know Pope has. Yeah, you know I have.
I used to play soccer.
Huh? Yes, exactly.
I used to
That is Pope Africa. Yeah.
I remember.
Okay, let's play. Ama tumewa nani?
Tumewasumbua sana.
Yeah. Huh? That is Pope Africa.
It has been long.
Yeah, even me long. Wow.
I love the girl.
Hey.
I love how she's controlling the ball.
Yes. Sorry. You know the field is not straight. Yeah. So guys, we are just trying. Hey.
Yeah.
The other guy.
Guys, good old days.
Yeah. Cheza. Ona. Just drink.
Don't fall.
Exactly.
Maybe I should revisit the ground.
Yes, we should.
Yeah.
Hey, but for me,
Asante. Hey, twende, safi. Huh? Ah, this guy is great. Yeah. So, hey, my shoe. So, guys, this guy. Huh?
I love that girl.
Wow, wow, so nice.
I love how she controls.
Eh? 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 Ah, give it to me. Yeah.
Good old days.
Good old days, guys. So, yeah, we are on our way to our destination, but we decided to stop by here and see how they are doing. So we go to penalties.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Before that, I was a very good player. He's a good player.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hongera. And also I used to play here when I was in kindergarten, primary school, kindergarten. So let me come guys. You and you.
Let me show you.
Yeah. Let me show you. I want to motivate you guys. Nataka kuwa motivate ndio muendelee hivyo. Najua siku nyingine labda tutakuja tukupee njumu hizi viatu na huyu. Labda hata kesho. So you train every day?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, they train every single day. Every single day they train. Yeah. So what motivated you to be a footballer and why?
Personally, one thing and an advantage about football brings people together. Yeah.
That is an
Peace.
advantage or an advantage?
Advantage. By the
Advantage,
way,
yes.
an advantage.
Yeah.
Like you see, you are from Kenya, you find yourself playing in Senegal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And guys, you know the reason why also I quitted football, it's because you only do it here in around like the village. Have you? What team have you? Okay, let me ask this. Pope, let me ask this. Yes. Let me ask this. Like, have you ever been in a big team like you are playing to? Because for us when we were playing, we were poached to go to play to other teams. So what team have you been like maybe invited to play for, maybe paid the trials?
Today, this is my first time to come here. I love football so much. I'm a student at Cambridge.
Cambridge.
Yes.
Wow.
I felt like today I must play football. So someone told me that there's a pitch here and people are playing football. I love football so much, so I can sacrifice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what team have you ever played like poaching? You know about poaching?
Yeah. I've played in many teams. First I've played in another team near border and Tanzania, near there. Kenya,
Namanga.
Tanzania.
Oh,
Yes.
Kerry.
Somewhere, not this side, somewhere
Namanga.
Lassi somewhere
Yeah.
there. Yeah. I've played hapo tulienda upro sasa. We were paid.
Yeah.
I've played for
Exactly.
two teams huko there Migori, Warembo and some other team. I've even forgot. It was long time ago.
Yeah.
But now I'm in another team called City Queens.
Okay.
Yeah. We are upcoming footballers.
Upcoming.
Yeah.
You're not an upcoming. So, let me ask you, like you are a lady. You know, a lot of ladies are not like in our society. Ladies are like you can't play football. Your only thing that you can do is house chores and everything. So, what do you think about that
Okay. Actually, mindset.
mindset?
Yeah.
Exactly.
If you're good in something, you'll have to do it with passion. I'm good in football. Someone can't tell me that you are a lady, you can't play football. I believe I can. They are saying that he's saying what a man can do, a woman can do better.
Wow. Wow. Not even in houses, but now
Yeah.
in football
In
again.
football,
guys.
yeah.
So you can see this. This is a motivation to the ladies out there who, if you want to do anything,
just do it, because we are really we are really like something like me. For me, I'm really inspired by her.
Yeah.
Because we can't get ladies here in the village playing football.
Yeah. It's very rare.
Yeah.
In fact,
That's why we stopped by.
maybe I can say that this is the first time I'm seeing a lady with a, how do you feel like you're the only lady in the
beach.
in the
In the
beach?
village.
Well, I feel very good. Yeah. But
You
I
cop
like
up.
playing with the boys, by the way.
Sure.
Yeah.
For
They
better
mentor
training.
me a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, she's a lady playing football here in the village. This is what you can never see in our screens and and whatever. But I'm really proud of her. She's doing so well. So, and we have our friend here. Before there, so we are coming there. We have to do the penalty.
Penalty. Penalty.
Yeah, we have a friend here also who we met. He's
Yeah.
a lover of football.
Are you the why are you looking like you're the captain of this team? Where's the captain?
The captain is not around.
Oh, the captain is not around. But the captain should be the one who can
You find
yeah,
him
you
in the
find
field, like calling you guys.
Yeah.
Where are you? That is what we used to do. Like the captain is there, you're not there. He's calling you like,
yeah.
oh, bro, you're not in the field.
Yeah, you
and
remember-
the funny thing, the person who taught us like playing football is our big brother
Yeah.
Eduswaga.
Yeah, that's
And
what
he
I-
was very strict.
Yeah, very strict.
Very strict. Even when you miss a ball, like, huh? Hey, guys.
But football is it's fun, like it's a talent that I believe that most of people here in the village lack exposure. That's the only thing that hinder young talented
fun, yeah.
footballers or soccer players. So exposure, yeah. We lack
Exposure,
exposure,
yes.
but so many people are talented.
Talented,
Very
very
much
talented. You can see
talented.
Pope holding ball here. I can do that.
I
We
remember.
can do all of that things. But
Yeah.
now exposure, you know, people like in Kenya, they don't
a
they
stress
know-
on talents,
yeah.
you know.
And also the reason being is like our culture is very small.
Yeah.
Our village is very
Yeah,
small. So they really believe like we can't do it.
Yeah.
You know, but we do it better. I remember there was a time we have the biggest team here in Migori County. Yeah, Migori County.
Migori.
Sony Sugar.
Yeah.
There's a person who is very big.
Chamberi,
Chamberi
yeah.
Chacha. So I was playing like now I went
You-
back to defense.
Yeah, you are his opponent.
Yeah, he's opponent. So recently when I was in primary, I was playing like number 9. So when I went back to defense and I was playing for my village team, we hosted them, that is Sony Sugar team. And I was very good because I target, even if you put the ball high, because I usually get these things like, they used to say it like, when you put the ball up for this guy that is Maja, he will not be able to,
Yeah.
so you will run. So I also was a very good runner. So if you put it like up, I know how to tackle it. I will come back and then turn. I'm there. So this guy Chamberi,
You backpedal. You used to backpedal.
backpedal. Chamberi, big up to you. This guy said, hey, this guy was very tough. Even played for Harambee Stars.
Yeah.
That is in Kenya, the national team. So Chamberi told me like, yeah, I've never seen a short guy who can
Short defend.
can defend. And I was the number 5 guy. Hey, he was like, hey, this guy is top notch.
Okay,
Shout out to you, Chamberi.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe you.
Maybe you can say something.
Something,
Okay, what actually can you say about football here in the village? Like, what exactly do you face? Have you ever been in trials, maybe in a better team?
Yeah. I have been for so long time. some teams here, like Talawiti,
Yeah.
Simba.
Yeah.
I've read with them.
So, what is trying to ask you, like, maybe the big teams like Sony Sugar.
Yeah.
Uh,
Have you
have
ever
you
been
ever been in
maybe
trials?
get that opportunity or that exposure of getting to a better team, maybe Muhoroni Youth?
Mm-hmm.
So that's you can see that's the challenge, but
Yes.
I believe he's so much talented and he has passion.
Yeah.
You can see how he dress. I think.
And he's here on time.
Yeah, he's here on
training.
time. So
before
for
even
how,
the coach.
for how long have you for how long do you train daily?
Una train muda
Muda
mgani
gani?
kwa
For
siku?
how long? Like
Asubuhi napata na treni kutoka nyumbani, naamka saa 10 kukimbia tu kutoka Bethbania hadi Nyaboanza.
yeah.
Kama saa 10 nikirudi napata kama saa 11:30 hadi nyumbani. Nioge, fanye kazi nyingine. By saa 8 kuwanjani.
Imagine what he's trying to put out here is like he wakes up in the morning, runs from the border to Nyabohanse, then back, takes a shower, then from 2 our African time, he's here like training now. The skills.
Yeah.
Yeah, the skills.
It's called ball control, but
ball control.
Morning when he wakes up.
Yeah, so guys, unfortunately today was a bad day, and we want to wrap up this video today here. Our sister is sick in the hospital. Maybe your last words?
Yeah, nice, fun having a conversation with my cousin. I enjoyed myself.
Thank you. Guys, it's so unfortunate. Today we had so...
I'm good in football. Someone can tell me that you are a lady, you can't play football. I believe I can. They are saying that he's saying what a man can do, a man can do better.
Wow. Well, not even in houses, but now in football
In
again.
football,
Guys. So you can see this. This is a motivation to the ladies out there who, if you want to do anything, just do it, because we are really we are really like something like me. For me, I'm really inspired by her.
Yeah.
Because we can't get ladies here in the village playing football.
Yeah.
I'm good in football. Someone can tell me that you are a lady, you can't play football. I believe I can. They are saying that he's saying what a man can do, a man can do better.
Wow. Well, not even in houses, but now in football
In
again.
football,
Guys. So you can see this. This is a motivation to the ladies out there who, if you want to do anything, just do it, because we are really we are really like something like me. For me, I'm really inspired by her.
Yeah.
Because we can't get ladies here in the village playing football.
Yeah. It's